Hello, my name is Sean and today I'm going to show you how to check and clean the pump filter on this Indesit washing machine. Before we start, please make sure you've isolated your appliance from the mains. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to tilt the machine back against the wall there. So it's nice and solid, so I can get access to the pump, which is behind this bottom panel here. You will notice the bottom panel here has 3 slots, here, here and here. If you access them with your screwdriver, just gently prise them down and lift the bottom panel out, exposing the pump filter here. Next I'm going to put a small towel here in case of any spillage, water container, and then I'm going to undo the 4 pump screws. You'll notice 2 lugs, here and here. The pump housing needs to be twisted clockwise so the lugs line up with here and here. I'll just do that a minute. There we go. Place the pump over the container and gently unscrew the housing. You're never sure how much water is going to come out of this. And that is a typical blocked up filter. Right, having thoroughly cleaned the filter and checked the housing to make sure it's clean, screw the filter back in, like so, and twist it back into place. Like that. Now we're going to fit the 4 screws back in the pump housing. Now before you put the bottom panel on, I would put it on a rinse and spin just to make sure everything's okay and you haven't got any leaks, and then put the panel on after that. And that is how you clean a filter on an Indesit washing machine. Washing machine spares and all appliance spares are available on the Ransom Spares website. Thank you for watching.